What's up, YouTube? I'm tapping in on the weekend, guys, and classes in session, guys. Make sure if you do me a favor, please like and subscribe. Make sure this video get at least 2,000 likes, guys. Today, I want to talk to you about the run-up we had, but what I want you to be on the lookout for, okay? I first want to say major salute to those of you, not only that rock out with your boy each and every day, but who also are doing your thing to learn this game, get your feet wet on this journey. Okay, so again, I just want to send some love and some encouragement your way. Keep at it, guys. It's a beautiful game when you learn to love it. Okay, with that being said, guys, check it out. We have had a very decent run since the June 16th lows. Okay, and the June 16th lows right now has marked a level that some may deem as a potential bottom. Okay, it remains to be seen, guys. We might not even know for quite some time whether or not that was the bottom. But what have we been doing during this whole bear market? Okay, we have been dollar cost averaging. All right, and when a bear market comes, guys, it's a different kind of market than a bull market. Okay, you accumulate. Okay, you getting your shares up, and that's why every video has been geared towards DCA, buy low, buy on this dip, buy on this dip. Okay, because it was all in preparation not only for these bear market rallies and these little pops, but also I want you guys to be positioned properly for when the real bull market returns. Okay, today, guys, I wanted to kind of break down this video in such a way that I can kind of show you how I come and why I come the way that I do. Okay, in terms of like do this, do that. And I think if I can kind of lay out the charts for you guys and kind of where we're at in terms of when I talk about resistance, you guys can see for yourself why I'm a stickler for get in and get out. Don't overstay your welcome. See profit, take profit. So today, guys, class is in session. I'm going to pull up a chart of the SPY because you guys know I talk about this every day in the Discord, a lot on the channel. And so I want to kind of show the correlation. Remember I said everything flows from the SPY. Okay, so if you want to know why your play is doing what it's doing, check to see what the SPY is doing, and you can kind of see the correlation between it. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into the chart on the day. Check out this chart, but what I want to bring your attention to is the purple line. Okay, look at the purple line on the chart, or you can look at around the 412 level. Okay, and what have I been telling you guys this whole time? Man, if we're going to run, the SPY needs to hold 410 and get above 412 to 415 so we can go to 420. Okay, but the reason why I'm on you guys about watching what the SPY does is because, guys, if you look at this purple line, you will see the line goes all the way across. If you look back to June, you will see a similar pattern developing. Okay, and the pattern that's developing resulted in eventually the market crashing back down. All right, now right now we might be a few weeks away from this full development playing out, but we're getting there nevertheless. And so whether it's at the end of this month or whether it's in September, I want you guys to know in advance Chris was preparing us for a potential sell-off or a potential crash so that we were at least aware at where we're at. Okay, we were at least aware that we were sitting at resistance this whole time. That's why our plays wasn't going up past a certain price, and that's why we were getting held back by this purple line. Okay, but nevertheless, we at least knew, okay, we don't have that much room to the upside as we do to the downside. Okay, unless, okay guys, unless we truly break out of this and go into a full-on bull rally. Okay, but that's kind of hard to kind of see happening with a few more Fed rate hikes, a few more CPI meetings on the horizon and things like that. So I wanted to show you guys kind of where we were at so you can visually see we're right at that line. That means we're at resistance, guys. This is called resistance. A top equals resistance. And so we're kind of knocking on the line of the purple door, if that makes sense. Okay, and typically when you hit that line too many times, we call it a test or a retest. Okay, you see how many times it has already touched. Look at the left side of this chart. Okay, back in June, look how many times it touched before it eventually gave way and fell through. so many touch points, if it don't break through, it's going to result in a fall. And I just want you guys to kind of anticipate that it can go either way. Okay, if we break those levels that I talk about often, 412, 415, okay, then we get up to 420. If we can get from 420 to 430, now guys, it's a whole different ball game. I'll bring out some different charts. But if we can't even get above 410, guys, we're coming right back to 408, 404, 400, 390, and then so on and so forth. Okay, so that's the reality we're faced with, but that doesn't mean we won't still have a little more room to run in the short term. Okay, I'm just trying to prepare you in advance. Just like when we hit plays at the park, I want to tell you on the front end, it's the same way with these charts. And when the market's going to crash, I want to tell you on the front end so that you know, okay, I'm gonna sit this out, or I'm gonna wait till the market start going down again, or I'm gonna wait to see officially for a sign that we are heading higher and that we're not coming back down. All of these things are the decisions we have to make each and every day when we're in the market. Okay, so listen guys, I wanted to bring out the charts today. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys, when you can see what resistance look like, you can see what we mean about we're at a top, we're at a critical level, so you kind of don't know from day to day which way the stocks will go. But this is why I often say, guys, the trend is your friend. You need to see, even though we're at resistance, that don't mean we can't have up days. You need to see every single day, especially if you're going to swing trade and do options and things like that. What is the actual market doing? Okay, are we having an up day? Is the market green? Is it going to the upside? Are we having a down day? Are we trading sideways? Are we consolidating? Are we having a choppy market that's barcoding? You want to see before you run in blindly and just do a play just because. Okay, now throughout the intraday of trading, you will have ample opportunity. You know what I'm saying? I showed you guys over the course of this Friday, you know what I'm saying, that Apple, for instance, was both up and down at extreme levels throughout the day on Friday. Okay, that's a one-day intraday move where you could have made a lot of money off of a move like that. All right, so you're going to get opportunity in this, but nevertheless, guys, it's important to understand overall at the macro level, we're still knocking at the door resistance, and if they don't open and we get the door slammed in our face, boom, we can come back down. And so you need to be prepared for that. You need to anticipate that. Don't be early though. You got to wait for the signs to develop. You got to see some of the bigger stocks start to give way. You got to watch your SPY, watch your Apples, okay, watch your Microsofts. When those start to give up and start to come back down, it will kind of serve as confirmation. Don't just buy a put and then the market maintains itself for the rest of August or to the end of August, but then your put is getting theta decayed and time decay on your plays. Okay, so you still want to be mindful that you might have some up days next week, you might have some down days, but that we might just be retesting a support level to bounce back up to resistance. So it's a lot of little nuances, guys, and that's why I say you have to be meticulous in this game. Okay, you got to be locked in on what's going on. That's why I'm hoping that this chart was helpful on today. Okay, so listen guys, man, nevertheless, a stock market crash may be looming. All right, so I just want you to be mindful. Okay, don't just blindly think we're going to go up, but also don't get ahead of the gun and think we're just going to go down either. Okay, wait for the signs, but anticipate. When you see a down day, that's a chance for you to ride or play down. When you see an up day, the trend is your friend. That's a chance for you to ride or play up. Okay, keep the game simple, man. Slow it down for yourself and take what the market gives you. But more importantly, when you see profit, take profit when you're dealing with options. Okay, listen guys, I hope this was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.